tama mtine mana balo mo me tato fasalonga ni tayao ia tonu io na tato sauni mo mai a tato le sona nei io vasenga valu fo nei o le ala fu la langi o me anga osi o le 8 signs world of materials ia o tato ala fu la nei le ala por tato le sona nei o le ala tato tala no ai vai ho matter you have heard of what matter is, right? Yeah, ngata na lo fo matofa tasi ima tama tamai te to tasi mala o nga pia primary. Mato te fai to tato le sona. Ai tato fai fa tasi mai. Tal tonu yo nau to mata mai. Ye mai se foi fo tonu lau api. A wata to fa tino mai la ta imo to en mato vaenga nei. Ye na fa pena fo fai. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, I'm pretty sure since you have heard of what matter and you have already studied matter in the lower classes, but let me get your refreshing up your minds. What is matter? Yeah.
Matter is something that occupies space and has weight. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. What about any other thing about matter that you two remember? Yeah.
There are 3 states of matter. The first is solid, second liquid, and the third is gas.
Okay, do you agree?
Yeah.
Of course. Okay, what about us down there, back in your schools? Do you agree with them? There are 3 states of matter, and also the properties of matter. What are the properties of matter they've just said? Okay. Occupies space and has weight or mass mass. Okay, but for now let's have a look at our learning outcome. Okay, let's read our learning outcome.
Let's describe the different arrangements of particles in solid, liquids, and gases.
That means this learning outcome you should be able, okay, to describe the different arrangements of each state of matter. But before we do that, let's all go out. Let's all go out and do some demonstration of the arrangement of the particles with the other kids. Okay, shall we go now?
Yeah.
Okay. So. Now we are going to demonstrate how the particles of solid behave using the students here. Okay? Yeah. Back into the light. Yeah. Back into your light. Yeah. Now I want you to hold your hand. Each other's hand. Ufuto lima. I know two pele na. Okay, papi foi to out. Everything. Papi to out. Come inside. Okay. Bi mai dis bang ai luma. Tuat follow lima luma. That's it. Hold your hand. Okay. Now, that is how the particles of solid behave. Okay? They what? They are closer packed together. The solids are the particles of solids. Papenala falling or particle solid. They are squeezed. Okay, within santo tua. For a liquid, okay, find liquid, demonstrate liquid. Liquid. Make sure you're still holding hands. See? See? So what's the difference? Now let's just say arrangements of particles of a liquid compared to the solid. Put your hand up. Yeah?
Solid, in a fixed shape but liquid, they're not fixed shape.
Okay. But
But they're holding.
the team up, the liquids, I think that's the only, so no fixed shape. Okay, what, yeah?
And they can also move while they're still hold together.
Of course, you're right. They can also move while they're sticking together. Okay, so move while they're still sticking together. But make sure within the what?
This.
Yeah, in the shape. Okay, now we come to the last one. Show us the particles of gas. Particles of gas. Okay. No, particles of gas spread all over. All over. You can come out of the container. Say that this is the container. Scatter. Scatter. Remove. Scatter. You see? That's how the particles of gas behave. Scatter. Okay? Scatter. Scatter. Do not hold hands. Okay, Macaulay? Particles of gas, they move everywhere. Okay? See, they move out of the container. Okay? Well, let's all come here. Okay? Now. Okay? Now let's go back to our first three questions. Do they all behave the same? The particles of the three states of matter? No. No, why? No what? No what? In a complete sentence, please. No what?
Solid. We always they're a fixed shape close, stick together.
Okay.
But liquid always stick together, but they're separate. But all the cats no separate that's the different, the difference between solid
Okay.
and liquid and cats.
Ala wali ia. Dasa se sengo patikale ole soliti, liquiti ma le kasa le sa tatu faiande. E apa patikale ole soliti ni to mata. Yeah.
They stick together.
Yeah. Lento faya, lento wa. Nek you ni mai they show like this. Give an example of a solid. There.
Yeah, wood.
Solid. Ice. Okay. Okay. What about the liquid? I mean the particles of liquid. Anybody else? No fixed shape. But they take the space of a what? Of a container of whatever the liquid is in. Like a bottle, cup, glass. They take a space of that. Okay, then finally gas. Free to move. Give an example that shows everyday example.
When the car goes and the back
Okay, yeah, the casa
goes up.
Okay, the particles. Okay, I have a pair of me I ngalai o.
Yeah.
That better pui.
They're separate.
The particles. That's just so yeah. You can smell that. The mangonyo le on me. It's because the particles of gas separate. Okay, and that's for now. Welcome back into your classrooms. Okay, for us, how was it?
It's fun.
Fun? And have you learned a thing from that?
Yeah.
What did you learn?
We have learned that particles of solid stick together, and particles of liquid, they actually stick together but separates. But gas, it separates and it scatters around.
Scatters around, okay. What about you two? What experience do you have from there?
Yeah, when that gas is free to move, and solid is hard tight together, and liquid when it is hard together but not as tight as solid.
Okay. And anything new?
I learned how solids behave. They behave different ways. Yeah.
In what ways?
Like solid, they have fixed shape, they stick together or squeeze in. Liquid occupy space, but some particles are separated or unfixed. But gas is free to move.
Free to move.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I have here the three colors. The three colors here. And let's say that these are particles, okay? And let's use blue color here as solid, particles of solid, okay? I can kind of give this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For this one, so that's solid, okay? For liquid, gonna give, since blue is always referred to water, shall we give the blue to this liquid? My bad, my mistake, okay? And let's have this for the solid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's for the one. The solid, so solid, liquid, and this is
Gas.
gas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I want you to build up the model using the showing the particles of that state of matter. You use that to show the particles of solid, particles of liquid, and particles of gas. See? You're all ready.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, if you look up here, just for the other kids there, have you done this? Have you finished with this? Okay, I want you to use the blue for the water, for the liquid. Okay. Use the green for the solid, and use the pink for your gas. I want the solid to come up here first. Solid. Just show this using this, the magnet balls, the green. Then you write solid. You don't want. So liquid. 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 Use the blue one. Oh, I gotta go from right to left. And the last one, but yes. Yeah, my foot. Okay. Right, you student there in your classroom, can you see this? Particles. We have the solid very tight together. Then come the liquid. Do you agree with the liquid? The arrangement of the particles of the liquid? And of course the gas. And like this one. Okay. See if you can smell them from here. Okay. See? Can you smell from there? Okay. And there's a reason for that. Of course, there's a reason. And we'll come to that reason. Okay? That's it. But first, let's have a look at the next one. Look at the particles
Of
solid. They're like that, right?
Tight together.
Tight, squeezed together. Okay? See? For the liquid. But they team up like these two ones. See? They're sort of teaming up. Even though they are free to move, but not as really has the gas, but they sort of team up. Okay. And then gas.
Yes.
Of course. And then come to the second one. See? Okay. Let's read the learning outcome. Number 2.
Let's explain how heating or cooling a substance changes the arrangement of particles.
Let's see how heating or cooling a substance. Okay, but for now, let's say, salads. Okay, let's forget that these are salads and gas. Okay, the first one. Where's the tape? Here we have the tape here. And in the beaker, I want someone to come here and arrange. So if I made particles solid, let's say ice in that beaker. So if I made using this one for solid ice, then if I made it, the ice is on you. Ice, what state of matter is ice?
Solid.
Solid, okay. So let's just make a solid on E. Solid. Con the beaker. Being on the fire. In the shape of an ice. Okay. And that's it. Also, they'll fix. Okay. When substances are heating, okay, let's heat the beaker of ice. Okay. Let's light the burner. Okay, light the burner. Alanga. Lahat may tupig particles sa ice. Alam mo muna burner.
Expands.
So let's just rearrange your particles. Rearrange the particles. Rearrange. Like all other burner. Now rearrange. If I peel your particles. Now also if I form a beaker. And also if I form a beaker, okay. Anyway, let's see the matter is this one.
Liquid.
No, liquid. Okay, wala. Yeah. So it evaporates.
Yeah.
What does it mean by evaporate?
Water, liquid changes into vapor.
Okay, liquid water changes into vapor. Okay, can you show the vapor? Or gas. If I made a falling or a lot change. Okay. Yeah, like be like oh, that's all right. That's all right. No, I'm just asking. See? Okay, there are two here. I want you to come up with something. Like arrangement of particles.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you can like this one. You can come up with butter, and then you explain. Say that for me particles of butter, butter, butter. Okay. Does this seem like water? The particles of butter. You know the angle butter for the rectangular one. But many particles come pickle. Okay. Oh, of course. Use different. Yeah. So just say light the burner. You light the burner.
Yeah.
This is butter.
Yeah.
The solid state. Okay, you light the burner.
Yeah.
Oh, what do you think will happen to the butter?
Melt.
Melt. Yes, sure. What's the melting? The particles, so that will melt.
It will turn into liquid.
Also, if I follow liquid. To me, do you agree with the arrangement? Do you agree with the arrangement? What? What about you? Do you agree with the arrangement? Ole pata lea, le sama lo, le whakame whanau po le enga. So le tono le pika lea, le tutu le pika, whamumu. Ia, whamaira, ia la mea tupu butter. Ia melt. Falling an arrangement of particles of butter when it gets melted. That will melt. This is still solid. Yeah, melt the butter. I think that's why you put this.
Burn.
Okay. So let's go back here. So you tell me whether it's a solid or liquid. Okay. You tell me. This one. Is this one? Okay. Solid or liquid?
Solid.
Okay. This one.
Liquid.
Liquid. Okay. And this one?
Gas.
Yes.
Gaseous.
Gas. Gas states. Okay. Yeah. So we got one more outcome to go. Let's have a look at that one.
Let's explain chemical formula of an element and a compound.
Element and a compound. Okay. Now, before you have already started this, okay? Elements and compound. Now, atoms. Elements, compound. So, what is an element? What is a compound? What's the difference between elements and compound? The difference. What is an element and what is a compound? Okay.
Compound can be broken into, compound is made out of elements.
Okay. So what is an element? Okay. Let's have a look at here. Say that these are all elements. Okay. Let's say this represents atoms. Okay.
Atoms.
That's the word. Atom. It's the smallest, simplest of any matter. Okay. An element. Okay. Yeah. Here. There's a. What shape is that?
Triangle.
Okay. What shape is that?
Triangle.
Okay. And this one? You come here and you...
Square.
Okay. Now, if you look at this three, what's the difference between these three shapes? What's the difference? That is single method.
Different shapes.
Different shapes, that's one.
Different elements.
Different. What do you mean? How do you know there are different elements?
Different colors.
Okay, different colors. Okay.
The other one occupies more. The other one has 4, and the other one, and the other 2 only have 3.
Only had 3. The other one. You are all right. Okay. So atom, like I said, we use these one pins to represent atoms.
Atoms.
This is atom. Okay. They are all atoms. Let's say they are all atoms. But the difference is because one shape here contains only one color. One color or one type of atom. The other two, the second triangular,
Different types of atoms.
only 2 types of atoms. Whereas this one,
3
types
So-
of atoms.
so which of the 3 could be an element? Which of the 3 could be an element? Yeah.
The first triangle,
First, why do you say this could be an element?
because they all have the same element or the
Same
same
atom.
type of atom.
Oh, excellent. And you? Why do you say? What do you call this one then? If this one is an element, what about this one?
That's a compound
Yeah.
because it has more than one atom contained in it.
Okay. See? You see? You look up here. This one is an
Element.
element
Element.
because
It's only
Only
made
one.
out of
It's only
one
made
atom.
of one type of atom.
atom. Whereas this one could be a compound because
It is a mixture of the types of atoms.
okay, because they are make up of 2 or
Or
more
More
different types of atoms. Then look at our learning outcome. We have what?
Let's
Chemical
Chemical
formula.
Yeah.
Okay, I will gonna work on 3 chemical formulas. Okay, like for example, let's have a look at this one. Carbon dioxide.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
then we have
Oxygen.
oxygen,
oxygen,
and then we have
water.
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 So what's the chemical formula of carbon dioxide? You write next to it, and you oxygen, and you water.
Yeah.
Oxygen, or carbon dioxide, okay. Okay. Next. Oxygen, the chemical formula for the oxygen. Let's have a look at this one. Let's say that this one Ka whakangala items la ia o ia whalingo mea. Yeah, atoms. If I ngola ia or hydrogen, let's the blue represent
Hydrogen.
hydrogen. Okay, and let this one represent
Oxygen.
oxygen, and let the what?
Pink one represents
Carbon. Okay. Well, let the blue one represent hydrogen. This one represent the oxygen, and the pink one represent the carbon. So what I want you to do, so that way whau mai loa laua. Ken whau o lea. Whau ngā rora le whau mai lea. Whaari mai lau formula I whau ngai rora ia. Carbon, pink. How many carbon? How many carbon? One. And that is the O lea.
Only oxygen.
Yeah, okay. Fill out oxygen. Ngā rā wau carbon. Yeah, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. The next one, the oxygen. Okay. In the box here. Have you seen this in a textbook? What about that toilano? You can use this one. You can use these circles. You can form up using your circles in tato amata mai. Say that this is what? Not a pink or carbon. This is carbon, hydrogen, and then oxygen. Okay. Then you make your own. So you can arrange it like that using these circles as well. Tato, yeah. I can able to make it like this. Using the diagram, you can use circles, cut out circles, and arrange, make up your chemical formula. Okay. So what's that? Carbon dioxide. Okay, that's carbon dioxide. It's a gas. Okay, Nalia.
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Why? Why do you have two?
Because if you see the chemical formula of oxygen, it says O2, meaning there are two atoms in oxygen.
Okay, and you?
Water.
Yeah. Why do you have two blues here?
Because it represents hydrogen, H2O, and the 2 belongs to the H.
So so how many hydrogen atoms?
2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen.
That makes up the. So
Water.
this thing is called the thing you just done.
Molecule.
Molecule. See, so that's a molecule. Okay. Now separate from that molecule. Separate the molecule. Okay. What do you call this?
Atoms.
Atoms. Okay. And when you put together these atoms, you have the molecule.
Molecule.
Water molecule.
Yeah.
There we have the water molecule. If you separate them,
Atoms.
Bind them together to form a molecule. The oxygen molecule, molecule for that. Okay. So, are we able to cover all our 3 learning outcomes?
Yes.
Okay. That's about learning outcome one more. Yeah.
Let's describe the different arrangements of particles in solid, liquid, and gases.
Yeah. Were we able to describe?
Yes.
Of course, through what? Through our demonstration. That's where we're able to describe the different arrangements. Okay, then we come to the second learning outcome.
Let's explain how
Heating or cooling a substance changes the arrangement of particles.
So, particles, how do they behave?
They
expand.
Separate if it's ice.
Change into another matter.
Okay, but and also they what? They what?
Collide.
There's a word there.
Squeeze.
Like this. But they remain in the same position, but they like this.
They move.
Stick together.
Yeah, V start with the letter V, VI, they
Vibrate.
They vibrate, that's the word. Especially in most solids,
Yeah.
because they can't come out of their fixed positions.
Yeah.
And what about the particles of gas?
Gas. They try to escape.
Let's try to
when
escape.
when it is heated.
Okay, well, let's see. What if ole gas no maluruinga or cool the gas? Okay, like this one. It oi faluno. There, you can't.
No.
Because this room is cool.
Cool. Yeah.
Whaingatala na. It's why na.
Move.
Na move your particles ole.
The air.
Ole. The environment here,
Yeah.
or the temperature here is low. Cool. And a fangal mele fa for the support of a villa. For the villa.
Evavea. Due to the heat.
Man, so for manon. Therefore, now I get to know your malulu. So, no winter you see that. Yes, I follow on ya. But no, you're not all. Like a Salomon me.
Yeah.
Long like wire. Low particles of the air because they are cool. The temperature is very, very low. I saw in Pacifica, in Samoa. If I go for eating, I can feel while I get a pill. I say, Macombe, your fire, Alaya. Masala, my eating because I have there. I have particles because of the environment and the temperature is high. Okay, and then the last one.
Let's explain chemical formula of an element and a compound. Yeah.
What's the difference between an element and a compound? What's the difference? That is the same as element and compound. Okay. You? Okay. What's the difference between element and compound?
Element is made up of only one type of atom, and compound can be made up of 2 or more types of atoms.
Oh, I love it. Good. Okay. Any other new thing that you have learned about this activity here? What about the chemical formula? Were you able to make this, to construct this, using this?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there anything you have learned?
I've learned that when atoms get around, they are called atoms. But when they bind together, they are called molecules.
Okay, they bind together to form something else.
Yeah,
Okay.
from new.
Okay, like water, like molecules, like that. And anything you want to add? Okay.
Agree.
Agree. Itu selalu pau fai wala ina tatole sona mol nei avayaso ole senga valu nei. Selalu tata so if tawila mta so senga valu ile week 9, I think. Okay, it was so iva, but it was fun. Don't forget your 6. Let's first to lesson number 6 verse on. Okay, this is week 4. Week 4 today. Then week 5, week 6. Year 6, week 7, week 8, week 9. Again with year 8. Final lesson for this term. But for now, thank you.